Happy morning to all my dear students. Today let us see Unit 2, Prose 2. The title of the prose is The Story of Self-Sacrifice and Bravery, Book Back Exercise. The first one is Discuss and Answer from Section 1. How did Nirja save the Americans? Nirja saved the Americans by hiding their passports and throwing them down the rubbish bins. So she put them in the rubbish bins. Second one, why did Nirja alert the pilots? Why did she alert the pilots? Nirja alerted the pilots to escape through the alternative exist. At least few can be saved. No? So she alerted the pilots. Third one, what happened when the terrorists lost their patience? What happened to them when they lost their patience? When the terrorists lost their patience, Nirja leapt into action. She shed all her hesitation and fears. She worked her way around helping to save as many passengers as she could. As many as passengers she could save them. She saved those passengers. Now let us see the second section. Discuss the answers. Name the schools and colleges Nirja studied. Nirja studied in Sacred Heart School and Bombay Scottish School. She got graduated from St. Xavier's College. So Nirja studied in Sacred Heart School and Bombay Scottish School and graduated in St. Xavier. Second question, why was Nirja sent to London? Nirja was sent to London to train to be a purser. Third question, what is the duty of a purser? What is the duty? Pursers worked as managers on flight. They handled passengers' complaints and security. They also made required announcements. See, their duty to receive their complaints and to their securities and required announcement. Third one, what are the selection criteria for the Nirja Bhanot Pan Am Award? Nirja was awarded the Ashok Chakra for bravery in peacetime. The second question is, how was Nirja honored by various governments? How was Nirja was awarded by the various governments? Nirja's act of bravery was acknowledged and rewarded by the Indian, Pakistan and American governments. She was awarded the Ashok Chakra. A postage stamp was also issued in her honor in 2004. She received Justice for Crimes Award and Tamka-e-Insaniyat Award. So, for her brave act, she has received all these awards. The third question is, what are the selection criteria for the Nirja Bhanot Pan Am Award? The Trust presents 2 awards every year, one to honor a flight crew member, the other to an Indian woman who overcomes social injustice. So 2 awards in her honor they were giving. Think and answer. According to Nirja's father, Nirja had well-defined principle and there was little room for compromise in that area. Do you have any principles where you don't want to compromise? So, do you have any principles? Dear children, we should have principles in life. I have certain principles in life. I am always committed to my duty. I do exactly what makes me love myself. I always move myself in the right direction. I will never compromise with anyone in these areas. See, this principle we should have in our life too. Vrinda told the Express that Nirja was a loyal friend. Are you always loyal to your friend? Yes, I am always loyal to my best friends Brinda, and so on. Third one, Nirja would speak her mind, tell them the truth. According to one of her classmate Elisa, do you always have the courage to stand for truth? Dear children, these questions has to be asked to each one of us. See, have we got the courage to stand for truth? Yes, I do have the courage to stand for truth, but on some occasions I had to keep quiet for the benefit of my dear ones. Sometimes we need to keep quiet. We cannot say the truth. No? Fill in the blanks. The tourist asked Nirja to collect the passport of the passengers because they could identify the Americans on board. Second one, Nirja passed on the warning in a code to the pilots because she wanted to alert them. Third one, Nirja leaped into action when she leaped into action when she noticed there was chaos on board. Fourth one, Nirja had a sore marriage due to pressurizing dowry demands. Fifth one, Nirja was sent to London based on why did she was sent to London based on what? She was sent to London based on her performance. As you all know, children, she was sent to London very soon. She joined for to become a purser because of her performance and peer review. They had good opinion about her and she did well in her studies. So she was sent to London for higher education for as a good purser. Think and write. I will die but not run away. Justify the saying of Nirja. See, she said, I will die but not run away. If some situation comes, we run away. The family of Nirja were discussing the sensitive situation of an imaginary hijack. Then Nirja said these words, I will die but not run away. She was determined not to be coward. She lived up to her word. See, when the situation arose, she did not run away. She faced those situations in her life. Second one, why did the three government of India, America and Pakistan honor Nirja? Why did they honor Nirja? Because these are the country passengers were in the flight. India, America and Pakistan acknowledged her act of bravery. She had saved so many passengers risking her life. So she was honored by these governments. She never bothered about her life. She was worried about others. Act of bravery. She helped the others. Third one, how can we abolish terrorism? How can we abolish? We can abolish terrorism by the following ways. Stop supporting the dictators who founded the terrorism. Stop arming terrorists. Stop imperial conquest for Arab oil. Stop torture. Tackle corruption and money laundering. So all these acts we have to stop. Then only we can stop the terrorism. We can motivate the children and the people around us. Then only we can overcome from all these difficulties. Next one, read the story of self-sacrifice and bravery. Once again, the complete the flow chart. Children, it is given, flow chart is given. You have to complete this flow chart. See, very easy. If you read the lesson, you can complete this flow chart. As you all know, Nirja, the hijack hero. She is the hijack hero. How she saved the passengers in that Pan Am flight. About her life and achievements you have to write. That is what given in the book. About her life and the achievements only they had given. So you have to complete in this flowchart. If you read only you can complete it. Here Neja Banut was born on 7th September 1963 in Chandigarh, Punjab, India. Her parents were Harish Banut and Rama Banut. Her father was a Mumbai-based journalist. She had two brothers named Akhil and Anish. She started her career in modeling. She then applied for attendant job in Pan Am flight. She was sent to London to be trained as a purser. Soon she became a senior flight purser. She was awarded the Ashok Chakra award from the Indian government. A postage stamp was also issued in her honor in 2004. She was also awarded the Justice for Crimes award. Next we have fill in the blanks with appropriate airline vocabulary given in the box. The first one is you must present the dash at the gate. You must present dash at the gate. That is boarding pass. Second one, it might be a dash. Mumbi, right, because we are flying through a storm. If you need anything, just press the, if you want something, you have to press the call light. Fourth one, the captain and the co-pilot sit in the cockpit. Cockpit where the drivers sit. Okay, in the bus or whatever maybe, but it is in the flight. Dash 3B is down this hall and to your right gate. We will be dash in Chennai in approximately 10 minutes landing. The plane almost missed that because it was such a bad storm. Run away. We are next in line to dash on this runaway. Take off. Ninth one, that was a very smooth. That was a very smooth touchdown. This dash should only last a few minutes. Turbulence. Now next we have match the phrases verbs in columns A with a meaning in column B. Flight or flight. Fight or flight, that is to defend oneself or to run away. Put to flight, that is to cause someone to flee. Take flight, to flee or run away. Flight or fancy, that is an imaginative but unrealistic idea. Have a nice flight. Enjoy your flight. In full flight. Escaping as rapidly as possible. Top flight. Among the best of a particular group. So these are the correct verbs in column with the meanings. Okay. You can mark it and learn it. Next we have find out the anagrams. Use each pair of phrases as glues. Glue. The past tense of leap. Something to serve food on. Okay, first one. The past tense of leap is leapt. Something to serve food on. That is plate. Second one, a place to grow flowers, garden, something to be careful of, danger. Another word for under, below, a part of your arm, elbow. Try to hear, that is listen. Another word for quiet, silent. Another word for gift, that is present. A large snake or a dragon, serpent. Minutes and or time, a thing on a list, item. An organ that pumps blood, heart, the planet will live on earth, something used to water plants, hose, a thing you put on a foot, shoe. So here the letters are the same, but first sentence it is there. First sentence the word is given. In the second sentence you have to again correct write it. Now we have the glossary. Hijacked, illegally seized control of an aircraft, ship or etc. Calamity, a sudden event causing great damage or distress. Assaulted, attacked violently. Frustration, the feeling of annoyance when one's actions are prevented from progressing or succeeding. Inflicted, caused something unpleasant to be suffered by. So these are the meanings. Please learn it. Disaster, a sudden misfortune, catastrophe, pressurizing, persuading or forcing someone into doing something. Performance, doing something to a specified standard, achievement, attainment or success. Civilian, a person not in the armed service or police force. Posthumously, after the death of the person, grew a group of people who work on a ship, aircraft or train. Injustice, lack of justice and fairness. So dear children, mark these all answers in your textbook if it is possible. Otherwise please write it down in your notebook and